What are you doing?
Baby sister belly.
Be gentle. Can you give her snuggles? Oh, do you love baby sister? What were you telling her? Did you tell baby Eden that I love you?
Mommy.
Hi, Ellie. Here, I'll move this. Then you can lie next to her. Lie next to her. Be gentle. Be gentle. Be gentle. Say, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Okay, give her a kiss.